Okay, so you need to understand how to make the canvas larger and use content aware fill to replace that area with what you with the new background. So I just have an image here, and this building, for example, is dead centered. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new layer first. Then we're going to go to canvas size, and whatever the canvas size is, we're going to add 1 inch to the width. So we're going to change from 15 to 16. We're going to anchor it to the left so that it only expands to the right, and then say OK. And now, so here we go. We have this new area. Now, to fill that area, the easiest way is to use the Magic Wand tool. Click it, refine the edge, because it'll select the entire thing. And we're going to shift the edge plus just a little bit, just to make sure that it overlaps with the with what's already there. Now we're going to go edit, fill, use content aware, whatever is selected. So we're going to fill. Now it's going to come out with some artifacts from the building and other stuff, so we're still going to have to clean up that area, but 90% of the work will be done already. It's analyzing and generating new pixels and everything. Okay, so here we go. So now what we have is we have a little bit of the building showing up here. So let's go to our spot healing brush and select that section of window, and it'll turn it into cloud. And same thing here, select this section of building because it didn't know what to do here, so we have to tell it that's not what we want. Try again. Alright, and just keep clicking around. Don't really like that little extra piece of building there. Alright, so now we have a little bit of fuzz in here. Let's get rid of that top part, make that sky. Alright, so basically we have what looks like just a blob tree. So to fix that, we're going to go to the healing brush tool, and we're going to increase the size of it, and we're going to use it to, if you hold down the Alt key, you get the bullseye so that you can select where you're going to choose from. And what we're going to do is we're just going to go and start bringing some sky into the picture a little bit. I know it's fuzzy still, but when we're done it'll be okay. Alright, so there we go. So now we have that. We go back to our healing brush tool, and it should start to fix itself. Alright, so we've built the sidewalk. It kind of turns there. That's okay. Nobody's really going to notice that. But since you've just got grass and leaves everywhere, it shouldn't be too bad for you. Alright, so now we're going to unselect that. And now the very edge is always the toughest part. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to, and we're going to crop, and we're going to crop in just a smidge, just like a 1/4 of an inch. We added an inch, and we're going to take away a 1/4. And presto, now we have a new sky all built in. Tree kind of grows into another tree, but that's okay. I mean, if we don't like the branches sticking out there, we can edit them out like this and build them back like that so they look a little bit more realistic. But all in all, that's about what you do. You get rid of any marks that are showing up as patterns in the grass. So now we are done. I hope that all made sense to you.